Okay guys, Icesoft Original here, and we are working entirely hard on some kids educational software which we are willing to work on. So with no further ado, I want to run through with this short video to give you a scenario of how this software works. So with no further ado, let me quickly start the software and let's see how it works. So I have this amazing software here. I can go in for English, go in for math, ICT, enter into settings, and I can indeed in fact work with the audio section. I can unmute that, and that is gonna work absolutely perfect for me. Okay, so let me go into the English, click on play. Now I have this. Let me first mute it for you to see whatever I'm doing. I have this alphabetical display here. When the kid clicks on A, it just pops up A for apple, right? Just go in B for ball, C for cat, and D for dog, and E for elephants. So it just goes like that, right? It just goes like that. It goes to Z, which gives out zebra. So this is very interesting software out there, which is gonna help our kids to get a lot more ideas using the computer to do a lot of stuff, and that is also amazing as well. All right, so when I come back to the math, for the math section, I have 4 sections here. You can decide to choose addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, depending on whatever you want to choose. So first of all, I want to use you can see that I have some 3 stars here. I can decide to go in for addition, and that is going to give me a difficulty level. Either I'm going to go for easy, regular, or hard. So let's go for the regular so that we can die early, right? So I go in for the regular, and it says 7 plus 8, so 8 to 16, so that is going to be 15 for now, and 8 to 16, and this is going to be 9, and this is going to be 9. You see, we have some timer here. That is timer left. As soon as it reaches here, you are dead. We have the correct answer and then the wrong answer, so I'm just going to go 8, and we have the point. As soon as it reaches to 10 points, the speed or the the level will be increased to 2. So let's see, that is going to be 5. So this is going to be 9, this is going to be 5, and this is going to be 4. So this is going to be 10. Now you see that we have level 2, and this is going much more speed. So it's going to be like that till you have your whole project well done, and everything is going to be working entirely awesome for you to get to know how much this system works. This is a quick review of whatever Icesoft Original is working on, and I believe you've gotten the ideas on how this system works. Okay, so last but not the least, let's see this. Okay, so as you can see, this is the game over scene, and I have gotten 2 stars out of that. Is I got 20 points, and that was 2 stars. I can indeed restart the system, or let's say replay again, or I can just go home, so I can just go home, choose within any of the the lessons, and that's gonna work entirely good for me, and that is absolutely working fine. My name still remains Icesoft Original, and this is some small project we are working on so that our kids can get to know something better. Wait up for the full video or the full functional software created absolutely from scratch in VB.net. Alright, so we will take it from here. Icesoft Original is out.